So in this video today, I'm going to be creating a Cozy Fall Vibes entryway. Come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called the Cozy Fall Vibes Entryway Challenge, and that's being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have May's Design Corner, Design with Emma, Lifestyle Design with Teresa, Barbie Daily Rule Life in the Valley, Jean Home Decor, and more. We have Debbie Bubbles, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. So as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Make sure and run the playlist. Watch everyone's video from beginning to end, guys. Click that like button and leave a beautiful comment. Okay, so here we are on the inside of my entryway. It's not a very large one, but I decided I always wind up going with the vibrant colors as opposed to the toned down colors. They just make me so happy. I love the fall. It's my favorite time of the year. So here we have two huge bouquets that I created myself. I had to bring one in the house because I don't have enough room on either side of the door, just on the one side. And I think it looks beautiful right here. And then on top of the entryway table, so we have some DIYs. I have my pumpkin and that beautiful leaf decor piece. Now we're going to move on over to the tier tray. Well, that tier tray, I got it at the Target dollar spot a couple of years ago. Then I decided to DIY this vase, which I think came out absolutely beautiful with some wood elements. I love it, and the white sunflower. So I went ahead and did the floral arrangement, and then I just placed some pumpkins in there and that beautiful vibrant sunflower, and that finished off the tray. Okay, so at the other end of the tray, I decided to go ahead and place that little lantern candle holder there. And I got that from the plus section of the Dollar Tree. Now I do have some DIYs along the top, along with that beaded black bead chain or tassel with the tassel. Looks really beautiful, guys. And let's head on over to the wreath. I am loving this wreath. I just made that. I'm going to go ahead and link the video below. This was a DIY wreath and it says blessed. It's absolutely gorgeous and definitely budget friendly. All right, so here I have like a door hanger that says welcome fall. It's the first thing you see after the wreath when you first come in the door. And I think this little area came out absolutely beautiful, guys. I am loving it. I always seem to gravitate, no matter how much I try to deviate, always wind up going back to the vibrant colors, because the traditional colors, because it just brightens up the area. It makes me happy. It's my favorite time of the year. So I hope that you enjoyed my entryway and how I decorated it. I hope this gave you some inspiration. I hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. And I do want to thank each and every person that participated in this collaboration. I so appreciate you. I hope you have a blessed day. Amen. Now, I don't want to forget anyone who is supporting us just by watching. I appreciate you too. Amen.